I'm about to unlock this incredible property that offers Texas hill country topography and a charming seasonal creek right here in downtown Salado. Hi everyone, my name's Trent Babb and welcome to my Central Texas real estate channel. And today we're in Salado. Ranch Roads is pleased to present this 100-acre opportunity, a rare opportunity outside the Village of Salado limits in the ETJ of Salado, in one of the fastest growing areas in the Lone Star State. Before we go any further, appreciate content like this and you feel that you're getting value from content like this, please like, subscribe, turn on the notifications so that you're notified anytime I provide more content like this in the Central Texas area or the Salado area. And if you would, give me a comment below, tell me what you would do with this 100 acres if you were to own it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But let's get to this 100 acres inside Salado ETJ, right on Royal Street, near downtown Salado. If you stick to the end, there are going to be community tours for you to get a better vibe and feel.
This property is nestled within the historical, charming town of Salado, with a beautiful creek running through, offering a peaceful, natural backdrop. It more importantly offers unrestricted zoning in the Salado ETJ. What's more, this land sits adjacent to the well-established Mill Creek subdivision that surrounds the Mill Creek Golf Course, a handcrafted 27-hole course designed by Robert Trent Jones Jr. While challenging in some areas, views it lacks not. Beyond the green, you'll find nearby wineries, breweries, and boutique shopping that adds a lively local culture. While Texas hill country topography influences the affluent, it does have developmental challenges. The Village of Salado has an extended water line along Royal Street up to the new constructed residential development known as Drake's Landing, adjacent to this 100-acre parcel. If your plans are for development, each lot will require a septic system. For more specific questions, please comment below, or my contact information is in the description. You can reach out to me there. Located between Dallas-Fort Worth and just 53 miles from Austin, Texas, Salado is a growing market and a strong real estate market, with properties holding value and appreciating despite economic struggles. The median home price from January 1st, 2023 to date is $589,000. Homes listed for sale. While we saw some homes listed for sale in Salado that lasted on the market for 120 days, there were others that had received multiple offers or sold within 22 days. This property is perfectly positioned for luxury development, whether you're thinking about expanding the golf course or creating a private retreat. Now, any further questions, please comment below. Again, my information's in the description below if you'd like to reach out. Without further ado, please enjoy this exquisite 100 acres on Royal Street in Salado, Texas.
So there you have it, the 100 acres inside the Salado ETJ, right downtown Salado. You can't get a better investment property with a charming creek in it, topography. So don't wait, reach out to me now. Comment below for any questions. You can also reach me at this number right here for a direct response. And if you like this video, if you feel like you've gotten value from these videos, please like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. This helps my algorithm and channel grow. I appreciate all the love out there. I'm Trent Babb, and that's all for now. We'll see you on the next video.